Mr. Vaidyanathan, on balance, what do you make of what you've heard from all the secretaries, both in terms of intent as well as the execution roadmap?
First of all, a big vote of thanks and thanks to every one of the secretaries, Mr. Ajay Bhushan Pandey, Mr. Tarun Bajaj, PC Modi, Secretary DFS and other secretaries who spoke today so candidly and transparently and patiently answered the questions. Now, the key to your question about what struck out, there were 3-4 things that struck us from the budget. One was, the focus on ease of doing business. Second was serious investment on health, 50,000 crore, 35,000 crores, 2 lakh crores on production-linked incentives, inclusive development, R&D, etc. FDI insurance. There was so many things here that, it's difficult to encapsulate them all. But the key one that really struck a big note was the boldness with which they said IPO of LIC, IPO and, privatization of 2 state-owned banks, 1 general insurance, Air India, BPCL, Pawan Hans, IDBI. When you see that sort of talk being done, it's never been done in 50 years, Shireen, just to point out, never been done in 50 years. Nobody uttered the word privatization of banks before. It's a very big statement. And therefore, that boldness stood out. The second thing is, I think, from the Prime Minister, Finance Minister, and all the secretaries who worked on it, really the boldness stood out. The other thing is that now that the other really amazing thing they've done, I feel, is that knowing fully well that they've got to sell, they never disturbed the markets. They kept the markets happy and going and motivated and didn't touch any tax structures. I think one of the plans of divestment should have been to also keep the markets buoyant. And I think on that front, they've achieved huge success already to start with. The third thing that comes to my mind is that is really that our expectation now that this bold one, agriculture has been announced, dealing with it, I'm sure they'll solve it, privatization, state-owned banks, etc. Yeah. With this, expectations have gone up, I say, and it's a very big thing because now we know this government's really very bold. They can do bold things. So we feel very proud and thrilled as Indians that our government can also do these things, and we can match other countries and say, here we come. So we expect a lot because of what you've shown. Thank you very much, all of us.